Okay, hi. I just created a simple little test plan here. Excuse me. I'm going to open the dialog box of this little room I created. Go to the Materials tab and Walls. I'm going to go over here and Plan Materials and see, yeah, I got white tile. It's a subway tile. Now I'm going to create a wall elevation of just one of the walls. Doesn't matter which wall. And I should find subway tile. Yeah. Now the first thing I usually do with a material is go over here to material tools, adjusted material definition. And the first thing I'm going to do, like for vector views, if the line style is white, it won't print. So I'm going to change the line style to black. I'm sorry, I did that backwards. Let me put that on white and the lines on black. Now it doesn't affect the way that it looks in regular camera views. Let's go over here to render techniques and go to standard, and you can see, oh, it's kind of hard to see, but we'll change to a vector view, and those black lines stand out better. And we'll go to like watercolor. And just, okay. Now I'm going to go over here and turn on watercolor with oh, they don't have in Pro, they don't have you can't add lines. Okay. In Cheap Premiere, you can. Never mind then. You can see here in the standard view, it's a little bit hard to see the pattern, but in vector view with the lines black, you can see. Now, we zoom in here, go to Dimension Tools, and you'll see here, like that this is currently 3 inches tall and 8 inches long. Okay, again, I'm going to use this material tricolor tool, adjust material definition, and click on the material. Now I'm going to change this height to 12 inches and the lengths to 24 inches. Now this just alters the vector view pattern. See, you also have to alter the texture. So if you want it to show in standard view the same way, it's a little bit hard to see because of the white grout lines, but let's see. Well, I want this, this white tile was probably not a very good idea. Let me alter the color of the tile a little bit. I'm going to just make that gray so it stands out a little bit more. And I'm going to blend that gray. Now you can see the texture file here more clearly. And we want it 24, so I'm going to change the X scale to 24. And we want 12 and 12, so this would be 24. And I don't want retain aspect ratio. I just want it to do what I'm telling it to do. Okay. And so there it is in vector view. I'm going to change the render type to standard. And now you can see it with the white grout. So I've resized it to 12 by 24. Let's check that with the dimension tools. Yeah, 12 by 24. So that's how you resize a material. A material like this is easy to do because it's symmetric. Some of the other materials are not quite so easy to do, but you just change the pattern size, change the texture size using the adjust material definition tool, and this dialog here, you change the pattern size, and then you also change the texture size, and then that's how you can resize tiles to different size. And also I showed you a little bit about how you can alter the color by changing this color here, and I'm going to change it to something really different. It's kind of wild looking. Make that black, and the material maybe something not quite so loud. There, that's a little bit better. We can't hardly see the grout lines at all, but we'll change the render camera to vector, and then it shows up again. Okay. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.